How to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. So there are three different steps that you need to follow in order to be able to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. So the first step is to link your bank account to Cash App. You'll need to have a debit card added to see this option. This should be added when you first created your account. To add a bank account, do the following. So you're gonna have to simply open Cash App and tap the profile icon. Then scroll down and tap linked banks and tap link bank. Then simply tap on continue and use Play to log into your online bank account. So this can be Bank of America, Chase, or whatever bank account you have. Now the second step is to link your bank account to Zelle. So most banking apps, as you can see, have Zelle built into the app. In this case, you'll just need to find the Zelle feature and quickly activate it. You'll need to confirm your personal and banking information to get started. Now, if your bank app doesn't support Zelle, you can download the Zelle app for iOS in the App Store or for Android in the Google Play Store. When you enroll through the Zelle app, you'll be asked to provide a Visa or MasterCard debit card. Now, the third and last step is to transfer money from Cash App to Zelle. So basically, you can transfer your Cash App balance to your bank account, which can then be sent again through Zelle. If you want to move funds from your Cash App balance to Zelle, you're gonna have to do the following. So open Cash App, then simply tap money out, then tap cash out and enter or select an amount, select a deposit speed and enter your PIN or use Touch ID to confirm and then tap done. Now if you want to add money from Zelle, simply tap add cash and then simply do the same process, but in this case you're gonna have to add the money. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.